You're gonna love my nuts.
Hello everybody! Hello everybody, it's me, Vargskelethor Joel, and today I'm another series that'll get a lot of views on YouTube! Check it out! My name's Dr. Joel. Today I'm gonna show you how to buy a back spoon. You put this spoon in the microwave, put it there, you put it in, and good! Like, subscribe!
Check out Manscaped, Squarespace. Raid Shadow Legends. How the fuck did that spoon escape? It's still going. No, hey. I threw that bitch far. Okay. Is this powered by batteries? Get knocked out. I know. We will power it with microwave. Okay. You wanna play games? You wanna play games? You wanna play games? Huh? You wanna play games? You wanna play some games? Huh? You wanna play games, huh? Hmm? Hmm? Huh? Hmm? Not so tough now, huh? Yeah? Can't say sorry, huh? And don't come back. Okay. 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 Okay, it's gonna be like a... Okay. 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 No, okay. I understand. I understand. I understand. I understand. Yeah. 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 I understand. Where's the money, Lebowski? Sir, let me have another look. Where's the money, Lebowski? How would I do this? If I do this... La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Who's gonna eat dirt tonight? Who's gonna go and have their head split open? It is you, my friend.
There's over 200-300 pounders up there. They're destroying the hell in the cell. And my God, don't get them over here where we are. What's going to happen here? Undertaker's fighting back. He's fighting back. They're right above us, folks. And I don't like it a damn bit. Oh, my God.
Bang! This is in the fucking head. Oh God.